All right, so I guess I'll call this jackfruit dip or spread. Crackers, toasted bread, eat it with a fork, whatever you want. The reason I keep forgetting to do this, I'm making crab cakes tonight. And I always forget to tell people this, but so you get young jackfruit. This company's the best. And it's simple. It comes in like chicken nugget cube looking things. It's a giant fruit, but it's cut up, to be like that. It's non-GMO organic. You just shred it up. It's got some vegan mayonnaise. It's got, actually I didn't put the black pepper in tonight, and I might not because I'll show you what else it's got in it. It's got Old Bay seasoning, which back home on the East Coast, we do with crabs and fish. You can even do it with chicken and stuff like that, but it's mostly like a celery seed, and it's kind of just reminiscent of a seafood house. A lot of seafood houses on the East Coast use it. So that's what's in there. Red bell pepper is in there, roasted red bell pepper, like in the brine in the jar, and fresh basil from my garden. And what I'm going to do is sprinkle some flour on this in case you're not into watching my crab cake that I made in the previous couple years on my playlist. I'm just going to put some flour on this and put this in the refrigerator to let it solid up a little bit. And then like in an hour, I'll cut it down the middle and I'll form it, and it'll be ready to throw in the pan. You just throw it in a pan of oil and you cook it up like that. Put it over greens or whatever you want, throw it on a sandwich, and you have a nice crab cake. Now you could do celery if you want in there. I didn't have any on hand. What else is normally that I might put in there? Fresh bell pepper instead of roasted red bell pepper. You could do sage, you can do rosemary, whatever you want. You can take a regular classic crab cake recipe and make it on your own. I don't mix the mayo and the mustard. I don't do that at all. But what I might do tonight is I have a honey mustard, so I might put this on a bed of greens and then dip it with a honey mustard. So that's all you have to do. Now as far as a dip goes, you can put this in the fridge, you can put that in a container, a shallow dish, and just put it on crackers and eat it like a dip cold, or what's it called, toasted bread, or you can eat it like a chicken salad, a seafood salad, because it would have that, flavor to it, and put it on a sandwich. But yeah, that's all. I just wanted to keep this short and show you what you could do with it. All right? So that's like a dip, just dig in and throw it on your crackers. Love you. Bye.